Hello people! In this video, we will explain the preparation before you clean leather upholstery. Leather covering furniture is normally used in chairs, sofas, and restaurant booths, as they not only look great but also easy to clean. The use of this type of furniture in public will expose the materials to dust, dirt, and stains, which will potentially harm their finishing and beauty. Therefore, what to prepare before you clean the leather upholstery? Here are 4 points to note. First, check the cleaning schedule. A majority of the leather furniture comes with top coat protection, but not without risks. That's why you need to schedule a regular cleaning. The regular cleaning can be done either daily, weekly, monthly, or even annually. Besides, an immediate cleaning over spills on the leather surface is also required. Second, check the leather type. Before getting started on your cleaning, you always have to double-check the types of leather you have. The purpose is to determine the correct cleaning equipment and chemicals. Generally, there are 2 types of leather: the genuine leather and the synthetic leather. Both types require different treatment as they're made from different materials. Third, check for any damage or ripped parts. Check all surfaces thoroughly to identify any damage, cracks, or ripped parts. If your leather upholstery needs to be repaired, make sure you repair the damage before cleaning, protecting, and conditioning the leather. The repairment may be done by professionals. Despite its rarity, you may have to follow a different cleaning method after repairs, so be sure to always do these things first. Fourth, prepare the work site. Most cleaning can take place where the furniture is normally located. You may want to ensure that any cleaning is undertaken at a suitable time between service periods. Remember, always keep leather furniture from direct sunlight to prevent drying and cracking the leather. So, those are 4 points to note before you clean the leather upholstery according to the international standard. On the next video, you will learn the cleaning equipment and chemicals required to clean leather upholstery, nurturing you to grow.